Assalamu alaikum, everybody. I'm live again with the TEDx review. I just wanted to share some of my thoughts on a very important and thought-provoking video, which I just saw a couple of hours ago, and it is on how AI can heal healthcare. So the title of video and the topic really excited me to actually click on the video and hear it. So this talk is by Dr. Edmund Jackson, who's chief data scientist at HCA Healthcare. In introduction, this is a very insightful and thought-provoking talk by Dr. Edmund on how AI can heal healthcare. So, in a time when healthcare systems are overwhelmed, expensive, and fragmented, Dr. Jackson presents a hopeful yet practical solution that AI is not to replace doctors but to empower them. So, Dr. Atman divides his talk in different sections. Firstly, he discusses that the problem, which is a broken healthcare model. Dr. Jackson begins by acknowledging a sobering reality that healthcare is not just expensive, it is often inefficient and reactive. Miscommunication, manual errors, and delayed decision making cost lives daily. Even skilled medical professionals can't manage the overwhelming data generated by modern healthcare. The second problem he identified is that all these problems and all these problems every day that doctors and healthcare staff face, AI can be a really healing tool. So Dr. Jackson described that detect early warning signs of sepsis hours before symptoms appear, process millions of patients, record to identify patterns no human's eye can detect, support nurses and physicians through real-time predictive analysis, analysis and reduce hospital readmission and improve patient safety. He cites HCA healthcare deployment of AI that saved over 8,000 lives by flagging critical conditions early. This is not a theory, it's real, tested, and saving lives. So, in his third part, he described that human plus machine, not either or. So, as Dr. Says that AI is not about replacing human judgment, it's about augmenting it. Augmenting it means that it, of course, uh, fuels power to the human efforts. The talk emphasizes that healthcare must remain human. AI can help clinicians focus more on patients and less on paperwork. It can scale empathy by freeing up time for more meaningful human interactions. Reflective question for the audience were that what fears or misconception do you have about AI in sensitive fields like healthcare? And can data-driven systems really be trusted in life and death decision, or should human intuition always prevail? And what should be the ethical boundaries when implementing AI in healthcare? In conclusion, AI will not replace doctors, but doctors who use AI will replace those who don't. If used responsibly, AI can heal the broken layer of healthcare system, not by replacing care, but restoring it to its most human form. And I found it really interesting that there are a lot of misconceptions about AI and its inclusion in so many fields, like especially like healthcare and education. So this talk by the speaker is really helpful in understanding so many of the misconceptions and rethinking over it. So this was my quick review over this very interesting video. I hope you have find it interesting too. So this was all from my side this time. Thank you so much. Goodbye.